Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Passive Income Calculator and how step-by-step wealth planning can help you build reliable dividend income over time. First, you need to set your passive income goal, because this gives your plan a clear target. For example, if you want to earn $2,000 per month from dividends, that means your annual passive income goal is $24,000. Once this target is defined, it becomes much easier to calculate how much capital you may need. Next, you should choose an average dividend yield. In general, a conservative portfolio may offer around 2 to 3%, a balanced portfolio may offer around 4 to 5%, and a high-yield portfolio may offer around 6 to 8%. However, while a higher yield may look attractive, it can also involve higher risk, so it is important to focus on both income and sustainability. Then, you can calculate the required investment by using a simple formula. Annual passive income goal is divided by dividend yield to estimate the portfolio needed. For instance, if your annual goal is $24,000, then at a 3% yield you may need about $800,000, at a 4% yield you may need about $600,000, and at a 5% yield you may need about $480,000. As a result, you can clearly see that lower yield requires a larger portfolio, whereas a higher yield reduces the amount of capital needed. After that, monthly contributions can help you reach your target faster. For example, if you start with $5,000 and then add $500 every month, while your portfolio earns an average annual return of 8% with a dividend yield of 4% and dividend growth rate of 5%, your long-term results can improve significantly. In other words, steady investing makes the journey much more practical. Moreover, reinvesting dividends through DRIP can accelerate your progress. When dividends are paid, they can be used to buy more shares, and those extra shares can then produce more dividends in the future. Because of this cycle, reinvestment creates compounding, which can turn a modest beginning into substantial long-term growth. Furthermore, long-term projection shows the real power of consistency. In the example, a portfolio may begin at $5,000, grow to around $104,000 by year 10, increase to about $320,000 by year 20, and eventually reach around $827,000 by year 30. Therefore, patience and discipline play a major role in building passive income wealth. Finally, the key lesson is that your income goal sets the target, dividend yield affects the capital required, regular contributions speed up progress, and reinvested dividends boost compounding. So, by staying consistent and thinking long-term, a dividend passive income calculator can help you create a realistic roadmap toward financial freedom. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.